guys, I'm here at Spectrum Mall और it's really hot. इस mall में only drawback is that it's not air conditioned. Only the shops and the stores inside are air conditioned. बाकी it's a very open air mall. But then it's nice. If you want, you can come and check out. They have lots of bags, shoes, stores which are like they have some eateries, Haldirams, बहुत कुछ है. You can come and check out. So मैं आई थी because I had my session with Rosia. This is a wellness program that they have, wellness place that they have. It's a they actually do a very good cutting down on your fat, or they have complete programs on wellness. So I had come to Rosia here in Spectrum Mall. I got my session done, so I thought I'll just take a round and look. तो ये देखिए, this is, we have some nice shoes here, nice bags and shoes here, very interesting. And there are some cord sets. यहाँ पर cord sets हैं बहुत अच्छे. Then there is this jewelry here, very pretty jewelry here, some nice jewelry here. Very nice. We have silver. Jewelry is something I just love. तो मेरे को jewelry जहाँ दिखती है, I go and stop and see. I love jewelry.
ट्राई कराऊँ मैं आपको?
So और आपको मैं एक बारी और राउंड दिला देती हूँ. Then I'll, so that these are shoes again. This is again a chaos of shoes and some bags. So it's a nice mall where you can come and check out. The best weather and time to come is, I think, when it's probably August, September. It's nice because it's an open air mall. But if you want to go to a specific store, they are all air conditioned. So in summertime, I think there is a less on the people and the footfall is less here because it's too hot. But other than that, their stores are really nice. So you see, this is really nice. And as a matter of fact, pricing भी इनकी pretty decent है stores की. So it's nice. So that's it from here, from Spectrum Mall. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.